Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to day 15 of our 30-day manifestation run transformation. We have officially entered the second half of this journey. I cannot stop from saying that. That means this is no longer about beginning. We are doing it. We are in it. You are no longer the person who started this challenge on day one. You are the person who made it through the first half, the person who kept showing up, the person who stayed in the room, the person who is now proving that this is not just a moment of motivation. This is identity work. And today we are taking your vision to the next level because this is what I want you guys to sit with. A blurry vision create blurry action. When your dream is vague, your habits become inconsistent. When your goal is unclear, your mind has nothing specific to move towards. So today we're not just reading the script, we are shaping the image. We are making the vision so clear that your mind can see it, feel it, and begin moving towards it like it's real. Your future self does not live in general statement. Your future self has detail. She knows what the room look like. She knows what the bank account say. She knows what the business earn, knows what her body feel like, knows what peace sounds like in her home, knows what freedom feels like on a regular Tuesday morning. So here is your day 15 assignment. Open your script in, choose one sentence from your vision, just one, and rewrite it with more detail. No bigger words, more truth, more clarity, more sensory detail. If your vision is about your home, describe the view from the window. Describe the light coming into the room. Describe the feeling of walking through the door. If your vision is about your business, name the exact monthly income, name the product, name the people you serve, name what your calendar look like. If your vision is about your health, describe how your body feels when you wake up. Describe your energy, describe your strength, describe how proud you feel taking care of yourself. If your vision is about peace, describe what you no longer tolerate. Describe the quiet, describe the ease, describe the version of you who no longer lives in survival mode. Today, we are giving your mind a clear target because manifestation is not about mumbling vague wishes into the air. It is about training your identity to recognize the life you are walking towards. So sharpen it, make it vivid, make it clear, make it so clear that your old excuses start to feel out of place. For my community member, once your upgraded sentence is written, head to the private board and report in with this command: done, image, sharpen. And to my YouTube family, subscribe so you can keep following this challenge. And if you're ready to stop living from a blurry vision, start grounding your next level with structure, accountability, and daily action, click the link below and join us inside the community because we're not chasing a dream we cannot see. We are sharpening the image and we are moving like it's already in motion.